Right here for a minute.
2 candles?
It's on video, right?
Yeah.
She's 2 years old. She's a big girl today.
2 years old, that's big. Shall-we?
Oh, look.
What do you say?
I don't know.
I think Kate.
Hey, Buckle,
Ready?
what's it like being 2 years old?
I don't know.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Can you blow them out?
What's sing happy birthday?
Ready, wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Buckles. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Oh.
She's got 2 boyfriends. 1 boyfriend. 1 boyfriend. Still 1 boyfriend.
Hard, hard.
Is his
Help her
name
out
Hunter?
before she
Yay! Yay!
It is hot.
So what's Buckle's boyfriend's name?
Oh.
Careful, my darling. This is
Ready?
hot TV.
Alright, here we go.
Oh.
You want to get the Nemo? Okay.
Where is the Nemo?
Oh, that's a plate.
Oh, the plate. Oh, finding Nemo plate.
Here, give you a little.
Oh, you want the dinosaurs instead?